Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to manage notifications in the Get Your Guide app. Whether you're tired of email alerts, push notifications, or just want to personalize your settings, this quick guide will help you stay in control of what you receive. First, open the Get Your Guide app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll down the list and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see several categories of notifications, including reviews, recommendations, deals and rewards, and others. Finally, for each category, you can choose to turn off notifications for push, email, or both. Just tap the toggle next to each option to enable or disable it according to your preference. These changes are saved automatically, and you can return anytime to adjust your settings. And that's it. Managing your notifications in the Get Your Guide app is simple and takes just a minute. Stay focused on the updates that matter and enjoy a more personalized experience.